So we are back at this house, return clients. We did their basement and then we just got done with that photo wall. And now we're doing tile here and up there and down underneath here, but we're gonna do some accent lights as well. And hopefully that mic's not too loud. It's right up in my face. So we gotta come out of this box, put another plug right here, a switch, run up into this, put this stuff up in here, and then run down for the lights, and then have those run across underneath there, cut a channel for the wire, and then restart with the LEDs and go across there. And then tomorrow we're gonna show up and put the tile all in, but we have to remove this and then cover this with plastic so it doesn't get scratched.